Is it really Wednesday? Yes, it really is. We are polishing wheels. Fun. With some useful tips and techniques. Today I am mostly cleaning wheels, which will be fun. An initial clean up with, actually I used the rust remover gel just to take off some of the worst stuff that was around there. I wasn't sure if it was kind of surface rust or not. Anyway, that's a bit of a clean up. So I'm going to clean up the spokes. That'll be fun. And then we'll worry about what we're going to do with the hub. I'm not sure whether that's something on the surface or the surface disappeared. I think it's something on the surface, so it might clean off, in which case we won't have to paint them. See what I mean? Yes folks, it's time to put these spokes in order, and we have a few tricks up our sleeve. First trick involving that and a shoelace. Well, that's what this other guy did, so I'm going to give it a go. Let's see what happens. I don't have much faith in it, which is why I got some of this emery cloth in tape form. Except it's not cloth, it's kind of paper backed, which is not what I really wanted. I'm pretty sure you can get this stuff on a cloth. Anyway, I used it to clean that up, and as you can see, it's done a very nice job. So that's plan B. Right, shoelace. So the idea is to slather this in that and then wrap it around the spoke. We'll get to that bit later, but I can't film this because I'm going to get mucky hands. Like so. And then once completely round, at least, because we're now going to pull on both ends and run it up and down the spoke. Let's see if we can do that on camera. There we go. You get the idea. And there's the result. Well, that is pretty good, I have to say. Not so much on the back one. I did a little bit of that while I was there. But yeah, that is definitely better than that. It works. Good. Only another 237 to go. Well, I have to say, it definitely works. What a great trick. If you compare this boy to the one behind it, that's the difference. And down there. Lovely. I would say that's pretty good. Compare those two. Well, honestly, that wasn't as bad as I thought. I mean, yes, it was tedious. It certainly wasn't exciting, but the result is good. And to do one side, i.e., 10 spokes, and not even probably, about half an hour, give or take, and half a shoelace, give or take. And for polishing up this, I've actually been using here on these two sections. Been using this Never Dull, mainly because I don't want a load of residue getting in the spoke holes, and it's getting there. It's bringing it up quite nicely. It's a lot of bloody effort. So on each side there is one that goes to the outside and then one that goes to the inside here. So when I said it took half an hour, that was to do just the outside ones. So to clean the wheel, or just the spokes, you're going to need to allow 2 hours minimum. Oh, and at least 2 shoelaces. Right, that's it, done. 5 hours of my life. It's not perfect, I know, but it's pretty damn good. Come on, it's half a century old. That's nearly as old as me. Anyway, I never want to see another pot of polish in my life. But you've got to do the front wheel. Oh yeah. And that. Well, I suppose it's worth it if you compare both of them, I guess. Anyway, I hope you learnt a few neat tricks and things about the products, etc. The best tip I can give you is get somebody else to do it. Yeah. Anyway, if you thought the video was any good, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe down here if you haven't already, of course, and encourage others to watch my lunacy.